Hi everyone, today we will learn how to use VLOOKUP by considering the data in multi-sheets. It's very simple, very easy. So first of all, we will work on the normal VLOOKUP, how normal and simple VLOOKUP is work. For example, there are codes and there's the names. So let's say I'll choose the code 2. I want the result of code 2 come from this column. So I will use VLOOKUP lookup value. As we know that we have to select the lookup value, and that lookup value in the lookup always the extreme left side column. So we have to select the table array, and by pressing F4 we have to lock it. Then the result column index number, which column result we required, column 1, column 2. So we required a result for column 2. So we will mention here column 2 comma 0 bracket close, enter. So that is a normal lookup. We choose the code, we will get the result. So what if after series 10, if we have sheet 2 from 11 to 30th, sheet 3 31st, 50, sheet 4 data code starting from 51 to 70. So how we can get the same result here? By calculating all the sheets together, and we can get result here. So for example, if I'll put here 11, if I'll use the same formula, it will not come. So what I want the result will search from all the sheets and can be placed here. So what I will use, first of all, we look up this value, comma, I will select that table, press F4, log the table, and I required a data from the column 2. I'll mention here 2, comma 0, bracket close, enter. So I'm getting an error here. So what is the reason? Because here there is no series 11. Series 11 start from here. So same formula I will mention in the start. It's very simple logic. If error, I'll open the bracket. I'm telling that if error, then comma, use another VLOOKUP, same, this is the lookup value F5, comma, now I have to go in sheet 2 and select the data. Press F4 to lock the cells, comma, from this table I required a result against code for column 2. Then 0, close, comma close, enter. Now you can see the result of code number 11 as Mirza. If you come here, 11 Mirza. So use any code 23 Nasir. 23 you can see Nasir. So multi-sheet data you can bring it here. Now another sheets 3 and 4 we want to test. What we gonna do? Again use one more if error. For example, next sheet we have data until 30th. So when you mention here 31st or 31, you will not get anything. Then again you use if error. Come here. We look up code 31, comma, table array from sheet 3. Select that one, press F4, lock it, comma, required data from column 2, comma 0, close the bracket. Now you can get the result from sheet 3 as well. 31 as Iqbal. You can test another code 42 Badshah. 42 Badshah. So the same way, if you put here 65, you will not get the result. The same way you have to use one more if error, comma, we look up this code, comma, go in sheet 4, select the table array locate comma 0. I think I missed something. Yes. Comma, we look up 65, comma, we'll go here, select the row, table array, locate, required data from column 2, comma 0, enter. So you can see $70 will get the result. Put any figure, 58, Saeed, you can see here Saeed. So like that way you can use the multi-sheets VLOOKUP. I hope this video is very helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video.